in 2013 to make food a legal right for millions of citizens, especially the poor and the vulnerable. Under this landmark legislation, nearly two-thirds of India's population is entitled to receive highly subsidized food grains through the public distribution system. However, the success of any welfare program depends not only on policies but also on public awareness. Many eligible families are still unaware of their rights, the benefits, the entitlements under this Act. Therefore, today's program aims to educate, inform, and empower beneficiaries so that every entitled person can access the support meant for them. Through today's discussion and interaction, we hope to shed a light on the key provisions of the National Food Security Act, the benefits available to eligible households, the importance of Aadhaar linkage and eKYC in ensuring transparency, and the collective role of the community in strengthening the public distribution system. With that thought, let us begin today's program with the shared commitment to ensure food security, transparency, and awareness for every household. Once again, I welcome all our guests and participants. Thank you for being part of this important initiative.